Welcome to my channel. My name is Igor, I am QA engineer, and today we are going to try to install Claude Code. This is CLI tool from Anthropic, which helps you to write code directly from your terminal. And let's start. So you would ask what could go wrong and why we even need this manual how to install Claude Code, because it seems to be super easy, right? If you open a Claude Code docs and you will see this is native installation command, CURL, we download and install sh and running it in bash, right? Like easy as one command, right? Let's try it. So I have a Mac right now and let's try to use it. So here is my terminal and I'm just trying to fire this command right away. And you know what? It's freezing. It's just freezing forever. It's not possible to install it just right away. And I don't know how is it even possible. Like it should be as easy as that, but it's not. It apparently doesn't work. You can wait forever without any results, without any logs or whatever. You will see setting up Claude Code, but eventually it will never finish. And if you try to search for this problem, Claude Code install freezing, you will see actually a lot of explanation stuff. You will see a lot of discussions on forums, which is sometimes solved, sometimes it's not, and well, this is a little bit frustrating because it shouldn't be the case. Like a simple task as that should be done in like seconds. And well, I have a good news for you, as Claude Code has different variants of installation. Instead of native recommended way, you can go further and you can install it with npm. Luckily, this way of installation actually will help you a lot because it's not going to freeze on your machine. And in order to install it using npm, you need to have nvm installation. And nvm is Node version manager, which is a small command which helps you to resolve Node and npm packages. If you don't have it, and as you can see, you can use different Node versions pretty easily, just switching this one line command, and installation is pretty easy. You just copy one line, and I hope this one line going to work for your case, not as Anthropic one. But anyway, npm is in place for my machine, and now let's try to install it using Anthropic Claude Code command. Let's open our browser again and see this stuff is not going to finish, and it's not possible to kill it. You need to make Ctrl-Z and only then you can kill previous process, terminated. Right, so do I have a Claude Code? Claude? No such version, right. So let's install it. And as you can see, it succeeds in just like what? In 2 seconds. But with the recommended command, it does not work. How is it possible? I still don't know. Anyway, let's now try to fire it. And before we proceed ahead, let me tell you a couple of words. In order to use Claude Code, you need to have a Claude subscription, starting with Pro, Max, Teams or Enterprise. Or if you want to just play around, you can have Claude console account, which I already created before, and this Claude Code console account will help you to use Claude Code without actual subscription. So you can use API tokens in order to do some stuff. Let me show you. So first of all, you will have API keys. And in this section, you can create a new key for you. But also it's possible to do using console. Let's start over. So we just launched first time Claude Code. We are choosing dark mode. We are choosing here Anthropic console account, API usage billing, or you can use subscription model. In our case, we are going to use Anthropic console account. And here, as you can see, we are redirected to authorization stuff. We are authorizing, and then we are good to go. New API key is automatically created, fetched and added to your console. As you can see, login successful, press enter to continue. Claude Code can make mistakes, yes. Use recommended settings, yes. And yes, trust this author. And here we go. We are here. Which model are we using? Let's verify. Sorry, which? I'm running on Claude Sonnet 4.5. As you can see, we successfully connected. And meanwhile, you can open API keys and you will be able to see your API key. And moreover, you can see the cost. For example, our request just costed us 4 cents. Well, is it too much or not? Just the way it is. So you have either option to subscribe or to use API billings, which you can easily extend and buy additional credits when you need. And that was it. So if you have any questions, don't hesitate and ask me, but my recommended way to install is using npm and not as they promised using bash, because it doesn't work, at least in my case. So if you don't have time to deal with such errors on simple installation command, just switch to npm and you will be good to go. Next time we are going to learn some new skills for Claude Code skills. We are going to teach Claude Code how to write playwright test correctly. And see you next time. Bye bye.